Go, Mark. Okay, go ahead.
Good boy.
Okay, go ahead. Did you hit bottom? Hurry up, Luke, get over here. You'll go downstream.
No, I've never.
Come on, let's go swim, swim, swim.
I'm going. I'm going.
Help, Dad.
Guys, just make sure you don't go downstream. Okay, you got to get, when you come off that rock, get right over here quick. Go ahead.
I think blood in my mouth. Is that good?
You have blood in your mouth? Blood?
No, it's gone now. Don't worry.
All right, I'm going to shut it off.